Get ready to explore even more groundbreaking innovations, because today we're diving into the top trending open-source GitHub projects. This week, part 2, we're talking about everything from ROMA, a recursive meta-agent framework that masterfully coordinates AI tasks, to Codebuff, which understands your entire code base for precise edits. Plus, we'll see NVIDIA's Garak, an LLM vulnerability scanner, and Milvus, a high-speed vector database for smarter AI. These projects are truly shaping the future of tech.
Welcome back to Manu AGI Tutorials. Here, we explore the exciting world of AI, latest AI tools for you, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss out on the latest AI insights. So let's start today's video.
Project number 1, ROMA, a recursive meta-agent framework that turns complexity into coordination. ROMA stands out because it doesn't force a single AI to do everything. Instead, it acts like a thoughtful organizer, breaking down big, complicated tasks into smaller, manageable parts, assigning those parts to specialized helpers, and then weaving the results back together into one clear answer. This recursive design means every challenge, no matter how complex, gets tackled step by step in a structured, efficient way. What makes this especially powerful is that ROMA can run multiple subtasks at the same time. While one part of the question is being explored by one agent, another can work in parallel, speeding up the whole process dramatically. At the same time, its transparent structure makes it easier to trace what's happening and tweak or debug specific parts when needed. There's also proof that this approach isn't just clever, but effective. ROMA has already shown strong benchmark performance, even outperforming some closed-source systems like ChatGPT or Gemini on complex reasoning challenges such as SEAL0 and Frames. That's a bold statement from an open-source framework. Built using Python, Fast API, and a React TypeScript frontend, ROMA is open and extensible, meaning anyone can tailor it to their own workflows or research. It supports parallel handling of subtasks and integrates easily with various tools and agents, so it's not just a theoretical framework, it's a practical foundation for building multi-agent systems that are robust and adaptable. In simple terms, ROMA is transforming how we think about AI coordination. Instead of one model trying to do everything, it orchestrates multiple experts in a clear, recursive workflow, making complex reasoning tasks faster, more accurate, and much more controllable.
Let's move on to our next project. In this video, experience faceless virality. With Teza, you can write a script and generate short-form content with the touch of a button. You know how. Keep watching. You will find the link in the description box. Now simply click on Start button. Now we are here. Smart Cut Clips. Pick most viral clips. Simply add or paste URL of the video and click on Next. Select Number of Clips and link of our video. After that, next pop-up, you can enable auto-generate subtitles and subtitle style. When done, simply click on Export button. In few seconds, you can see our viral shorts clips are ready to upload. No more wasting time. You can see the previews here with subtitles, and you can easily download your content. Streamer Clipper. Find interesting and engaging clips from your favorite streamers and add titles and subtitles to them with the classic blurred background. Also try Reddit Story Create wholesome or scary stories using AI voices to introduce and narrate the clip. Then continue into the video with a background clip. All we have to do, simply input a script, subtitles style, AI voice, and job done.
Once upon a time, in a cozy little house at the edge of a mango orchard, lived a curious boy.
Create a fun, engaging quiz-style video. Simply select the character, input text, whatever conversation is going to happen, and after select subtitle style, select the previous one and click on Export Video. It is that simple.
Try not to say the same thing as us.
I bet you can't beat us.
Yo, what's good?
Everything is fine.
And if you want to learn the complete tutorial of all this, then here you will get a tutorial option where you will be explained everything very well as to how to do it. So what are you still waiting for? Try Teza App now. Okay, let's move on to our next project.
Project number 2, Codebuff, natural language code edits that understand your entire project. Codebuff transforms how you interact with your codebase. Instead of one-size-fits-all editing, it orchestrates multiple specialized agents, like explorers, planners, editors, and reviewers, that work together to understand your project's structure and make precise edits, reducing guesswork and errors. This multi-agent approach means your changes respect the overall project context, not just isolated files. Another standout is how it deeply understands your project. At startup, it scans your entire codebase, symbol names, dependencies, architecture, and builds a mental map so future tasks flow naturally. Whether you're adding features or refactoring, it places changes exactly where they belong. When compared with similar tools, Codebuff shines in both speed and cost efficiency. In benchmarks, it's nearly 4 times faster and roughly 1/3 the cost of comparable assistants for the same tasks. Plus, it pulls more context from your project, stays focused on what you ask for, and avoids unnecessary massive edits. Codebuff doesn't limit you to one model either. It supports any model available via OpenRouter, whether that's Claude, GPT, or more niche specialist models, so you're not locked into a single provider. And if you're looking to automate complex workflows, Codebuff's TypeScript SDK and agent system let you define custom logic, spawn subagents, and embed editing workflows directly into your tools. Perhaps most importantly, rather than replacing you, Codebuff amplifies your productivity. Developers praise how it frees them to focus on higher-level architecture and design, while the tool handles repetitive edits, testing, and scaffolding. It feels like having an assistant who genuinely gets your project. In essence, Codebuff is unique because it blends deep project awareness, agent-powered precision, flexibility in model choice, and powerful developer integrations, all while being fast, cost-effective, and deeply context-aware. Project number 3, Ripple, a TypeScript-first UI framework with React, Solid, and Svelte DNA. Ripple stands out by being a front-end framework built from the perspective of JavaScript and TypeScript first. Rather than starting with HTML, it introduces its own .Ripple module format, blending TypeScript and JSX into a superset language designed for developer happiness and even better interaction with AI tools and large language models. What makes Ripple truly unique is how effortlessly it weaves together the best strengths of React, Solid, and Svelte, without forcing you into any of their limitations. Its reactivity triggers automatically using Linol prefixed variables and object properties, making state management feel natural and intuitive. Add to that fine-grained rendering for performance that stands out by focusing only on what actually changes. There's no overhead, just focused updates wherever you need them. Ripple also brings performance friendliness and developer tooling into the mix. Full TypeScript integration ensures strong typing and error checking, while editor support and VS Code includes syntax highlighting, diagnostics, and IntelliSense. On top of that, .Ripple files are compatible with Prettier, making coding cleaner and formatting smoother. Behind the scenes, the author of Ripple, @TrueEDM, drew deeply from experiences across many leading frameworks, Inferno, React, Svelte 5, Lexical, and distilled key ideas into something compact and focused. It's a sort of distilled love letter to front-end web, crafted in under a week, raw but full of potential. Right now, Ripple is firmly in early development. Bugs, missing features, and 2DOs are part of the experience. It's not ready for production yet, but it's rich ground for experimentation and innovation. In essence, Ripple brings a refreshing blend of concise reactivity, TypeScript-first design, and multi-framework inspiration, packaged in a lightweight, elegant front-end toolkit made for powerful, expressive, developer-friendly interfaces. Project number 4, N8N Workflows, the ultimate collection of ready-made automations, organized, searchable, and instant. N8N Workflows by ZR619 stands out as a massive, meticulously curated collection of over 2,053 automation workflows, making it a uniquely powerful resource for anyone working with N8N, the popular no-code automation platform. What sets this repository apart is not just its volume, but how deeply it's been organized and optimized. Each workflow comes with a meaningful, human-friendly title, replacing cryptic fennel mimes so that you can instantly know what it does. No guessing, no renaming needed. Another standout feature is the lightning-fast documentation system. This isn't your regular static website. It offers sub-100 ms full-text search, advanced filtering, mobile responsive layouts, light-dark mode, real-time stats, and even mermaid diagrams to visualize each workflow's logic flow, all powered by ski-wide FTS5. The interface is sleek and responsive, especially compared to bulky static HTML documentation. On top of that, the repository offers deep categorization across 365 unique integrations and 29,445 total workflow nodes, making it easy to discover templates by service type, like Slack, Gmail, Twilio, or by use case category, such as marketing, CRM, data processing, AI agents, and more. The whole setup shines in its practicality. Whether you're an automation pro or just starting, this toolbox gives you instant access to high-quality workflows with real business value. It's fast to explore, simple to filter, and visually clean. Instead of building automations from scratch, you can pick a template, see how it's structured, trace its execution visually, and adapt it to your needs in no time. All in all, this isn't just a random dump of workflows. It's a professional, easily navigable library built for efficiency, clarity, and exploration. For anyone building automations with N8N, it's a game changer, turning complexity into clarity and making automation accessible, even on the go. Project number 5, Garak, the LLM vulnerability scanner from NVIDIA. Garak stands out because it brings the precision and structure of cybersecurity testing, think Nmap or Metasploit, into the world of large language models, LLMs. At its core, it acts as a red teaming and assessment kit designed to uncover hidden weaknesses in AI systems. This includes probing for hallucinations, data leakage, toxic or biased content, prompt injections, jailbreaks, misinformation, and more. What truly makes Garak unique is its systematic, multi-stage approach. It combines generators, which interface with various LLMs from Hugging Face to OpenAI, or custom REST endpoints, with probes, which craft targeted prompts aimed at eliciting failure behaviors in the model. The responses are then evaluated by detectors that assess whether the model exhibited unwanted behavior. It also supports adaptive and dynamic probing. This means Garak learns from test outcomes, adapting its attack strategies to improve coverage over time, just like a skilled red team does, empowering real discovery, not just repeatable test cases. Beyond strategy, Garak is strikingly accessible and widely supported. It works across model platforms including Hugging Face, OpenAI, Replicate, GGUF-based models like llama.cpp, and many more. It's open source under Apache 2.0, maintained by NVIDIA, and quickly gained recognition as a go-to tool in LLM security reviews and industry recommendations. With detailed reporting, customizable probes, and extensible architecture, Garak enables developers and security teams to explore and harden AI systems systematically. It transforms the nebulous terrain of LLM safety into something structured, measurable, and continuously improving. That's why Garak isn't just another security tool. It's the benchmark for auditing AI model vulnerabilities in today's generative AI landscape. Project number 6, Milvus, scaling smarter AI with high-speed vector search. Milvus shines because it is built for developers and businesses working with large-scale AI systems that rely on similarity search. What makes Milvus unique is that it isn't just another database. It's purpose-designed to handle vector embeddings, the numerical fingerprints of unstructured data like text, images, or audio, efficiently and at any scale. Milvus stores and retrieves these embeddings with speed and precision, making sophisticated AI tasks like recommendations, semantic search, and retrieval-augmented generation feel seamless. One of the most standout aspects is its scalability. Whether you're experimenting with a few thousand vectors or deploying billions, Milvus adapts. It offers a local mode for solo developers, standalone for small teams, and a fully distributed architecture for enterprises. It even separates storage and compute layers, allowing each to grow independently based on demand. Performance is another defining strength. Milvus achieves ultra-fast similarity searches through intelligent indexing like HNSW and DiskNN, and by leveraging both CPU and GPU optimizations. This ensures real-time search speed even under heavy loads. Moreover, Milvus offers powerful hybrid search capabilities. It lets you combine vector similarity with traditional filtering, like metadata queries, all in a single operation. That flexibility boosts relevance and makes results smarter. Another unique advantage is the open-source community and ecosystem surrounding Milvus. It's supported by leading tech organizations and continues to evolve thanks to a vibrant community. Plus, developers can tap into the fully managed service, Zilla's Cloud, for enterprise-grade speed, global deployment, and built-in compliance. In short, the uniqueness of Milvus lies in its focus on vector data, ability to scale effortlessly, lightning-fast searches, hybrid query power, and the freedom of open source backed by enterprise-ready cloud options. It's a tool that brings complex AI infrastructure down to something smart, flexible, and accessible. Project number 7, LiveKit, a scalable open-source platform for real-time media and AI agents. LiveKit's superpower lies in how effortlessly it brings real-time voice, video, text, data, and AI together at any scale. It's built on the rock-solid foundation of WebRTC, delivering performance, adaptability, and media-rich communication, all without locking you into a single vendor. What truly sets LiveKit apart is its expansive ecosystem. You get production-ready SDKs across the board, from web browsers and iOS to Android, Flutter, React Native, Unity, Python, Node.js, Rust, ESP32, and more, keeping APIs consistent and cross-platform friendly. The platform is also tailor-made for dynamic AI workflows. Through its agents framework, developers can deploy voice or multimodal AI participants directly into live sessions. These agents can process spoken words, video, and chat in real time, acting autonomously within shared spaces as intelligent participants. Flexibility is at its core. You have the freedom to self-host LiveKit's media server, or choose LiveKit Cloud if you want a managed, globally distributed experience. Both offer features like end-to-end encryption, HIPAA compliance, and full media infrastructure control. LiveKit isn't just about intelligent agents, it's built for immersive media-rich experiences. Ingress enables streams coming from RTMP, OBS, or files to feed directly into LiveKit rooms. You can live record or stream out sessions with egress. Plus, built-in moderation tools, adaptive streaming like Simulcast and Dynacast, and selective subscriptions help deliver optimized responsive experiences for events or classrooms of any size. In short, LiveKit stands out for harnessing WebRTC in a developer-centric, open-source platform that supports rich, scalable real-time applications, from agent-driven AI conversations to live interactive streams, all deployed securely and flexibly across any environment. Project number 8, Kyverno, Declarative Policy as Code for Secure Self-Service Kubernetes Governance. Kyverno shines because it blends powerful policy management with Kubernetes native simplicity and real-world flexibility, delivering security, compliance, and automation without becoming a burden. It lets platform teams define policies using the same YAML they're already using. No new language to learn, no external policy DSL required. That means policies are simply Kubernetes resources, easily version controlled, reviewed, and managed alongside your app code. What makes Kyverno truly unique is its multi-action policy engine. It doesn't just validate resources, it can also mutate them, generate new ones automatically, or clean up unused resources. You can enforce best practices like naming conventions, security settings, or resource quotas, and even let Kyverno fill in missing labels or generate standard network policies, all without manual intervention. Security is baked in, especially around the software supply chain. Kyverno can verify container image signatures to ensure only trusted code is deployed, providing a guardrail against tampered or unverified images. It also supports self-service policy exceptions, so teams can request temporary overrides when needed, without breaking the system or requiring direct intervention from administrators. Reporting and testing are first-class citizens too. Kyverno generates policy reports, integrates with standard formats, and includes tooling for both unit and end-to-end testing, giving confidence before policies hit production. That shift-left approach lets teams catch policy issues early in CI/CD or IAC workflows. Kyverno also plays well with familiar tools like Git, Kudult, and Kustomize, enabling policies to be managed as code and incorporated into existing workflows, rather than forcing new infrastructure or processes. Project number 9, MCP Registry, the central hub for discovering Model Context Protocol servers. The MCP Registry is the go-to place for anyone looking to find or publish MCP servers. It's more than just a listing, it acts like an app store, tailored specifically for Model Context Protocol MCP servers, offering a single trusted source where server creators can register their services and clients can easily discover them. What sets the MCP registry apart is its role as the single source of truth for publicly available MCP servers. Instead of relying on scattered or fragmented directories, this registry ensures consistency and centralization, making discovery a seamless experience for developers and applications. At the same time, it's built to foster flexibility and personalization. This registry supports public sub-registries, such as opinionated marketplaces, where users can filter or curate entries, and private sub-registries that enterprises can tailor to their internal needs while still syncing with the main registry. Another standout feature is its community-driven moderation. It's open source and maintained by a working group within the MCP ecosystem. Contributors can flag problematic entries, like spam or malicious servers, and maintainers can swiftly remove them. Since its recent debut, the registry is in preview mode, meaning it's functional but still evolving, with breaking changes and data resets possible as the project matures toward a general availability release. The project emerged from a collaborative effort among MCP community members and organizations like Pulse MCP, Goose, Block, GitHub, and Anthropic, with key maintainers and contributors working openly together. In short, the MCP Registry stands out because it offers a centralized, community-moderated, and extensible discovery platform for MCP servers. Whether you're building federated marketplaces or internal tools for AI integration, the registry provides a reliable, adaptable foundation built by and for the community. Project number 10, Awesome-Nano-Banana-Images, a gallery of creative AI visuals powered by Google's Nano Banana. This project is a carefully curated showcase of what the Google Gemini 2.5 Flash image model, also known by its nickname Nano Banana, can achieve in AI-driven image creation. What makes it unique is the way it brings together a diverse array of visuals and the exact prompts that generated them, offering both inspiration and insight into the power of AI creativity. You'll find striking examples ranging from imaginative character edits to seamless scene transformations, all collected from platforms like Twitter and AI communities. It's not just a gallery, it's a treasure trove of prompt ideas, showing how to achieve polished results using natural language instructions. That means whether you want to reimagine a fashion look, tweak a product photo, or blend creative styles, this collection teaches you how with real-world examples. Another standout feature is its focus on continuity. You'll see how Nano Banana excels at character consistency, keeping people or objects recognizable across multiple edits, which is often a big challenge in AI-driven image workflows. The prompts are laid out to help anyone learn how to tweak visuals step by step, whether that means changing an outfit, editing a background, or merging elements in clear, conversational language. Backed by an open-source Apache 2.0 license, this repo invites anyone to explore, remix, and even contribute their own cases, with the potential to spark fresh creativity and shared learning. It's both a launchpad for learning and a stage for showcasing what next-gen image AI can do. In short, Awesome-Nano-Banana-Images stands out as a playful, educational, and visually impressive entry point into the world of prompt engineering and AI-assisted graphic creativity, perfect for anyone curious about what cutting-edge models like Nano Banana make possible. And that concludes our second deep dive into the most exciting open-source projects. We've journeyed through the intricacies of ROMA for AI coordination, witnessed Codebuff's intelligent code editing, and more. Each project offers unique solutions, pushing the boundaries of what's possible in AI development and automation. If you found these projects as fascinating as we did, please hit that like button, share this video, and subscribe for more cutting-edge content. Let us know in the comments which project from Part 2 you're most excited to try. Thanks for watching.